I'm with the fabulous actor Christine Baranski. And since she has a house in Italy, I thought we have to make something Italian, right?
Absolutely.
So we're making Weeknight Bolognese. We've already cooked the ground sirloin in a little bit of olive oil.
So
until
it's
nice
sirloin.
and brown. It's sirloin. And then I'm going to put in some garlic.
Right.
Lots of garlic.
You're cooking this in olive oil, not butter,
Exactly.
right?
And
You're talking to a real basic,
well, this is basic.
Start
This is
from
it.
scratch, girl.
So the next thing is oregano,
Uh-huh.
and I just put it in my hands and I grind it like that. And you get all the flavor. Kind of
So it
unlocks the
releases
flavor.
the flavor by doing that?
By doing that. Isn't that great? Okay, little red pepper. You like a little heat?
Yes.
Okay, just a little, not too much. Just like that. You're doing an excellent job of stirring. And then we need wine. I mean, it's Italian cooking
Of
after all,
course we
right?
need wine.
Okay. So I always like to cook with something you want to drink. So how about a cup of wine?
So you can use really good wine in your cooking, and not just some old thing that's been around for months.
I hate the old stuff.
Okay.
And you're going to open a bottle, you might as well drink the rest of it, right?
It's
So
an
just a
excuse
Chianti,
to drink the rest
right?
of it. Absolutely.
And one thing that the wine does is it scrapes up all those brown bits in the bottom of the pan, so it brings all the flavor into the sauce, which is
This is
really
a lot
great.
of wine.
Well, it's going to all evaporate, and it's just going to cook into the meat. So Italy.
Italy.
So why did you choose Italy?
I fell in love with Italy when I was 19 and I went there for the first time. I've gone back many times and I find it really stimulating. And I'm learning cooking. People really, they live in their senses and they enjoy life.
And
you know,
appreciate it.
and appreciate each other's company around a dining room table. So that's the quality of life I would like to have now. And you're invited.
Oh, you don't have to ask me twice.
But you
I
have
would
to
love
you have to cook a little bit.
I
You
would
have
be
to sing for
delighted to
yourself.
cook. Okay, next I have just a whole can of crushed tomatoes. Pour the whole thing in. And tomato paste to just give it even more flavor. And then we need salt and pepper.
Is this really as easy as it seems?
That's it. That's it.
Oh my gosh.
So this is going to simmer for 10 minutes. And in the meantime, we're going to make broccolini, roasted broccolini.
Broccolini, 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 broccolini. Okay, ready to go.
I love her. That was great. Okay, so you're not going to believe how easy this is. Okay, sheet pan. So broccolini, I'm going to cut off the ends, about a third of the bottoms, put them on the sheet pan. This is the easiest vegetable you've ever made, and I have to say, it goes with everything. I make it all the time. Just olive oil on top, salt and pepper.
Do I just
Stick your hand in.
stick my hand in?
Yeah, you can just stick your hand in. Lots of salt. That's perfect.
Hey,
Pepper. Clean hands are a cook's best tools. They're never in the drawer. They're never in the dishwasher. They're always with you.
oh my gosh.
and
look at
that's
you.
it.
No.
I'm serious.
It's
Isn't that incredible?
unbelievable that it's that easy.
Okay, into the oven, 375 for 10 to 15 minutes, and it'll be so good.
Oh my God. Broccolini.
Okay, we're nearly there. We've got the sauce. We have to cook the pasta, and the broccolini's in the oven. I would say this is the beginning of a beautiful cooking friendship.
Oh my gosh. If you welcome me in your kitchen, I will be there. Thank you.
How fun is this? Christine and I are just finishing the Weeknight Bolognese. I'm stirring sauce and you're doing the pasta.
That's why I'm here.
Okay, well, a few more things to do with the Weeknight Bolognese sauce. So I'm going to add a little cream. It just gives it a little
Into the
richness.
Bolognese?
Right into the Bolognese. Just a quarter of a cup. A little nutmeg, which is, it's kind of like, gives it a really earthy flavor. Just a pinch of nutmeg. Lots of fresh basil, because of course it's Italy. You have to have basil,
Right.
right? And Parmesan cheese. A lot of Parmesan cheese, half a cup. And then the last thing I put in is really unusual. There's red wine in it, but I just put some red wine in at the end, like a quarter of a cup, and there's still going to be enough in here for us to drink. Just like
Oh,
that.
that's not just a little bit.
Well, that's what I call a little
yes,
bit.
that's a little bit.
So what's a perfect day for you?
Oh, getting up and having a homemade scone with your recipe, clearly. And then, because I have a home in Connecticut that's directly on a lake, I love to end my day with a glass of rosé. And then, once it gets dark, take off all my clothes, My favorite thing.
Is to go skinny dipping?
Skinny dipping.
Oh, I
and I
love
invite
this.
my friends to do the same, and,
Yeah.
and you're more than welcome
Oh,
to
no.
come.
Okay, let's see how the broccolini's doing. It's perfect. How's that?
Oh my
Is that the
gosh.
easiest vegetable you've ever seen?
So pretty, too. It looks so
Thank
fresh.
you. Okay, I'm just going to take it and put it on the platter. How's that?
It's looking fantastic.
Okay, let's see how the pasta's doing. So we want to cook it just maybe a minute less than the box says because it's going to cook in the sauce.
Right.
So instead of draining it, I'm going to put it in the sauce.
So you're not
Just
afraid
put-
of the water going in there?
Actually, I want the water because the water is starchy and it's going to thicken the pasta sauce.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, 20 years ago, I used to dump the sauce on top of the pasta like all Americans did. And then
That's
you
what
find
I've
out.
been doing.
And what a difference this is, right?
Absolutely.
You know what I love? I love that the orecchietta, those little ears, catch the sauce.
I know.
So
and
it's
they
particularly
hold on to
good
the
for
meat
that.
and everything, yeah.
Okay, I think it's done. You know what I love sometimes to do? Is just put the whole pot on the
Oh.
buffet table. So we're making us a buffet table here. Okay, I've got 2 bowls. One for you.
Oh my God.
How's this? Pasta bolognese. It
It
may not be
looks-
Tuscan, but it's Italian, right?
God, it
That's
looks
for
so good.
you.
Ooh, thank you.
But don't try it yet because I still have more to go. Hold on. And I always like to garnish it with something that's in it. So we have a little Parmesan cheese, little Parmesan cheese, and fresh basil.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't that look pretty? Maybe a little broccolini on the side,
Oh my God, look at this.
a little Chianti. What do they say in Italy?
Salute.
Salute.
Oh.
Sounds so good. Well, I hope it's good. Not bad.
Feels like I'm in Italy.
Does it? Oh, good.